So today we're going to be doing the fanning method. We're going to be using the fan brush here. Obviously we can see sort of really why it's called a fan brush, how it fans out there. Now we've prepared the nail already with a base coat and two coats of a nice pink there. I know you ladies like a pink. We've got our nail varnish remover there ready to clean our brush, and in case we need it in between to clean the brush. Remember, you would have to dry off the brush afterwards if you're cleaning it in between. Now sometimes this is a little bit more difficult on the artificial nails. You might not be quite so successful because the amount of varnish needed when you do it on the artificial nails can be need to be a little bit more. But you just put just 2 or 3 dots of colour where you want to start your design, and I'm just going to get out of Mrs. Way a little bit, but where you start your design, and then using the fan brush you just drag that up. Now obviously dragging it up depending on how far you want your design to go up. So, you know, if you were doing little feathery wings or something like that, you might only drag it part of the way up. You might use more varnish at the bottom to make it more solid and then drag it up. But that's what you're using. You're using that fan brush to just drag that colour up the nail to give a sort of a feathery and slightly unfinished kind of look. Now, if you're going to, I'm not sure if Miss Manctalo is going to go down the brush or up the brush now. She's going to go down, I think. But you need to make sure that between each one, it's as dry perhaps as you want it to be, so that each time it doesn't merge too much. Okay, but that's how you just put a few spots and then use the brush to drag the product up and around the nail to where you want it. After using the brush, we clean it with nail varnish remover, just remove it all and then leave it splayed out like that to dry. And once the nail is dry, we will put some top coat over top, obviously to seal the design and to help the design last longer and provide a nice shiny finish.